Hello, welcome to the channel Little Sailor. My name is Mariusz and I'm from Poland. At the beginning, I have to point out that I'm a complete beginner in scale modeling. In fact, I've never built at least one scale model. About what and for whom this channel will be? Well, experienced modelers probably won't learn anything here, but you never know, right? I want this channel to show what scale modeling is from the perspective of a guy who is just beginning his adventure. I'm sure there will be a lot of mistakes and problems, so I hope all of them will be good lessons for me and for everyone that are just beginning. First of all, let me show you my starter pack. I did a lot of research on the internet and I bought all following products online. First product is, as you can see, is a cutting mat from Tamiya, size A4. I decided that my first model will be Polish warship ЩLOZAK from 1943. It's a destroyer escort class ship, type Hunt 2. The model is from IBG Models company. Surface primer from Vallejo, the gray one, 400 milliliters. I've heard a different opinion about it, so I'm curious how it's gonna work. As you can see, this spray has two nozzles, one for more precise work and one for the larger surfaces. I've bought also a set of paints that are mentioned in the instruction. 4 acrylic paints from Hataka, 17 milliliters each. Colors are dark gray, light gray, dark blue gray and mecha black gray. Additionally, I've bought 10 milliliters Hataka acrylic paint, gunmetal. Acrylic thinner, also from Hataka, 100 milliliters. Glue, Tamiya extra thin cement for plastic, probably one of the best glue for scale modeling. It's not cheap, but experienced modelers claim that it's worth the price. Fast-acting cyanoacrylate glue, thin glue from CA Joker. Probably more thick glue would be better, but for now I have this one. Tamiya X2 flat white paint, the small jar, 23 milliliters. Precise pliers from Fine Art, number FA505. Elastic sanding file with grits 360 and 1000. Tweezers, also from Fine Art, symbol FA514. Metal ruler, 30 centimeters from Green Stuff World. I also bought 2 synthetic brushes from Renaissance, size 6, and the other one 2/0. Modeler's knife from Excel, only one blade, so I'm gonna buy more spare blades in the nearest future. Modeler's masking tape from Tamiya, 3mm wide, and Uhu Patafix for painting and masking the elements. Total cost was about 325 Polish zloty, so it's about 76 euro or $85. I don't know if this cost is big or small, probably depends from one's budget. I'm sure that with about $40, 35 euro, you can start your adventure with scale models. So that's all for now. In the next episode we will slowly start to build our ship. I hope that my English wasn't so bad, because for me it's also a good English lesson. Please let me know if my talk was understandable. See you soon guys, and take care. Bye bye.